Hi everyone, I'm the chef Dwight, and today we are going to be making curried goat. First thing we do, we start to wash the goat. We start with lime juice and cold water. After we wash, here is my seasoning. Some garlic on it, onion, and scallion. Some thyme. Also 2 tablespoons of curry powder. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of black pepper. And if you want, you could put some Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to combine everything together. And after, I'm going to put it in the fridge overnight and come back tomorrow and make my curried goat. Now here it is, and I'm going to put it, plastic wrap over it and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. So it's 24 hours now, and I'm going to take my goat from the fridge. First thing I do, I take the seasoning like the onion and the scallion off the goat, and I save it for the next step. After take out the onion and the scallion and the seasoning, it should look like this. We save for last. The oil is hot, and I'm going to throw my goat in the pot. So you want to brown the goat and all sides for 5 to 6 minutes, like so. So this is the time we are going to put back the onion and the scallion and the seasoning. And we're going to saute that for about 3 minutes. Now I have some vegetable broth in here and some bay leaves and a little bit coconut cream. I'm going to pour it all over my goat. And I'm going to turn it on simmer. And let it sit for 1 hour. I'm going to turn the stove on simmer. And I'm going to cover and let it simmer for 1 hour. One more thing, if you want, you could throw some bay leaves. It's 1 hour now, and I'm going to throw some diced potato on my goat and continue to simmer for at least 40 minutes until tender. So it's 40 minutes now, and I'm going to check on my goat. Oh yeah, looking good. So I'm going to plate. So this is my finished curried goat and my famous yellow rice. I hope you all learned something today. And last but not least, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.